ByeBye Blur is a widely used Android application designed specifically to improve the quality of photos that may appear blurry or out of focus. Utilizing sophisticated image processing algorithms, the app effectively detects and corrects blur, enabling users to restore clarity to their images seamlessly. Among its notable features, ByeBye Blur boasts a user-friendly interface that allows users to navigate its functionalities with ease. It offers various adjustment tools for refining photo sharpness, customizable settings for different types of blur correction, and real-time previews that help users see the impact of their adjustments instantaneously. Moreover, the app typically includes batch processing capabilities, allowing users to enhance multiple images at once efficiently. This application is particularly advantageous for photographers, social media influencers, and anyone who wishes to elevate their visual content quality. ByeBye Blur not only aids in restoring images but also helps users achieve a more professional look in their photography. Its effectiveness in turning blurry images into clear, high-quality visuals makes it an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their digital photography experience on Android devices. Additionally, the app often provides tutorials and tips to guide users in optimizing their photos further.